first thing that you take is an upside down plate, pre-cut, 1, 2, 3, 4 halves of graham crackers, and then 2 long ones together. And the best way to cut this is to use a serrated knife and gently saw at them a few times until it breaks. If you put any pressure, it'll crack. You can use canned icing in a piping bag. And the first thing to do is lay the nice side down and just pipe the bottom square, not the top. And you're going to take a side, lay down one side. Okay. You can go back on the inside to give it more strength. And the other side, facing out. Again on the inside to give it more strength. And then you're going to put the other pointed top on. But first, you need to put icing on the ones that are standing up. This is particularly hard because you have to hold it still. Okay, once you have those two, pattern side out, put this one on. Very gently. And the whole thing's still very wobbly. Okay. Now here, you're going to glue this right to the plate. It'll feel more stable once it glues down. The hardest part is picking this up without having the whole thing come apart. So I'm just grabbing it by this piece, pulling it out, so I'm not even touching this, and then just letting it fall on its own, giving it a light push, and then you go around and give a nice edge to seal it down to the paper plate. Then you can go around, cover up those raw edges, put some more icing, also make it stick better. Okay. Now these, instead of resting on top, are actually going to fit on the inside. So I'm going to do the 2 side pieces first. And then I'm going to pipe the inside of the triangle pieces. I'll show you on an angle. Okay, that one. Okay. Then our roof piece fits right inside, gently. And again on this side, you can see now this is the most unstable part, so you really want to go in and glue it together from the outside. On every corner, on every seam. And along the top. So you see there's a little exposed seam, so I'll go back. And then when you go to decorate it, you can put fresh icing on, but it's really nice to let this part dry for a while first. There you go.